All right, let's do this thing. Got to be pretty fast this time. Want you guys to get through this really fast. All right, so we already went through keep, change, flip, keep the dividend, change division to multiplication, and flip the divisor to its reciprocal. Reciprocal. Woo! All right, first one, 2 divided by 7/8. 2 over 7, keep that. Division, change to multiplication. 7/8 becomes 8/7. Multiply straight across. Becomes 16 49ths. Can you divide 16 and 49 by the same number? No. That's it. 5/7 divided by 7/9. 5/7 times 9/7 equals 5 times 9 is 45. 7 times 7 is 49. Numerator is bigger than the denominator, so it's a proper fraction. These two numbers, you can't divide them by the same number, so you're done with that. Last one, 8/9. Keep the dividend. Change division to multiplication. Flip the divisor to the reciprocal. 8 times 7 equals 56. 9 times 8 equals 72. Can you divide these by the same number? Yes, you can. You can divide them both by 2. So let's see, 56 divided by 2, you end up with 28. This divided by 2, you end up with 36. Any more? Yep, you can keep going. Divided by, let me get that. Divide by 2 over 2 equals 14 over 18. Keep on going. I was lazy in the beginning. I thought it was just going to be 2. Equals 7 over 9. Can you do any more? No. Done. 7/9. Okay, next page. All right, we already did the first one. How many runners? Okay, so you had this race was 1.5 miles long. Each runner covers 1/4 of a mile. 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. So how many groups of 1/4 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you need 6 runners. Next up, Marcus is picking songs to play during a slideshow. The songs are each 3.5 minutes long. The slideshow is 31.5 minutes long. So the slideshow starts off being 31.5 minutes long. That means that that's what we're starting with. So 31.5 divided by 3.5. Now we've got to figure out, all right, what are those as improper fractions? Because otherwise it's going to be really difficult to do. So 31 times 2 is 62, plus 1, 63. 63 halves. Then I'm going to keep this as division so I don't get confused. 3 times 2, 6, plus 1, 7. 7 halves. Now I'm going to keep change flip. 63 over 2 times 2 over 7. 63 times 2 gets me 126. 2 times 7 gets me 14. Now, there's a few ways I can do this. First thing I'm going to do is simplify because it's going to make the division easier. I know I can divide both of those by 2. I already know 63 divided by 2 is, or 126 divided by 2 is 63, and then 14 divided by 2 is 7. So I already got that. Now, last but not least, 63 divided by 7, how many 7s are in 63? 7 times 9 equals 63. So your answer was, how many songs? 9 songs. All right, Erica can run 1/6 of a mile in a minute. Her school is 2/3 of a mile away from her home. At this speed, how long would it take Erica to run home from school? So the total length she's got to run is 2/3 of a mile. She can run 1/6 of a mile in a minute. So we're trying to figure out how many minutes where she runs 1/6 of a mile each minute is it going to take for her to run this entire distance. So 2/3, that's a 3. 2/3 divided by 1/6 becomes 2/3 times 6 over 1. 2 times 6 is 12. 3 times 1 is 3. How many 3s are in 12? Cuatro, 4. So our answer is, how long would it take? It would take 4, and what are we talking long? We're talking about distance, time, we're talking about time. How long? 4 minutes. All right, last 2. Okay, still got 2. Oh my gosh, come on, computers. All right, has 4/5 of a tank. Has tells me it's probably what I'm starting with. Uses 1/10 of a tank per day. How many days would this last? So has 4/5. Seeing how many 1/10 of a tank you can get out of 4/5. Keep, change, flip. 40 over 5. How many 5s are there in 40? There are 8. So 8 days. Last one. Sean has some candy bars that he wants to give away. He is going to give each person 1/8 of a bar, and he has 2 3/4 bars to give away. 2 3/4 is what we're starting with. That's what he has. Divided by 1/8. 2 times, I shouldn't do that x, it's confusing. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 3 is 11. 11 over 4, divided by 1 over 8. 11/4 times 8 over 1, the reciprocal. 11 times 8 is 88. 4 times 1 is 4. All right, I'll simplify it first. You can divide by 2 over 2. You get 44 over 2. Got to do it again. See, this is being lazy. I'm being lazy. I should have found the greatest common factor. You get 22 over 1, and that gives me my answer. He can give away to 22 people. Sweet. That's it. Enjoy your day.